don't really need to do this because you do the. We got this very nice brownish color. That means we will have a lot of it. To make sure we concentrate a little bit more. That's perfect. Thank you very much. We want to leave seafood, right? Remember, if somebody's scared of the sauce, it's time for you to take a look to the beautiful seafood we have here. Take the time, come on. Oh, you showed it up. It was gonna be super salty. It wasn't measured. It was measured, no worries, that's why. This is never a competition, but we
Una, dos y tres. ¡Salud y por San Canú!
Sorry guys, last thing,